Hello, my name is Errol, and today you'll be seeing the property 1325 Walton Avenue in Deltona, Florida. Let's take a look. This home is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, 2-car garage house. Comes with a living room, dining room, and family room combo. It's got an eat-in kitchen. And hopefully you like it. It also has a screened-in patio, walk-in closet in the master bedroom, here's the kitchen. Here is your screened-in patio, and we'll go over here to the last 2 bedrooms. Guest bedroom number 1, and then guest bedroom number 2. Hopefully you like this property, and if you have any questions, feel free to call us. Thank you.